Hello everyone, xCloud now lets you integrate the Linode server and manage sites. Let's find out how to configure it. First, sign in to your xCloud account. From the dashboard, click on the Add New Server button on the left side. There you will find the Linode server with others. Select Linode from the list. You can choose an existing Linode credential or add a new one by authorizing it on Linode. If you select the second option, you will be taken to Linode Access Request Confirmation page. Here, confirm the credential authorization by clicking the Accept and Continue button. Now, add a server name and select region, server size, database server, and web server stack from Nginx or OLS. Don't forget to check out the terms and conditions and put a check mark accordingly. Hit the Next button to proceed. Then xCloud will start configuring your server. After successful configuration, check out your newly added server. This is how easily you can integrate and configure the Linode server in xCloud. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Happy hosting!